First, make 3 layers of name PNG. Invert first layer, white to black. First layer black, second layer white, and last layer make gradient effect. First select pixels of name PNG. Then add gradient effect. Click on paint icon and create a gradient. Just adjust brightness setting for black and white gradient. Done. Now I have 3 layers here. First black, second white, and third gradient. Please add glow in first layer. 0.6. Change color, red to white. Please convert this layer from normal to linear dodge. Now convert second layer mood from normal to multiply. Then add shadow in this layer. Angle 45, color black, blur 2, and distance 8. Convert last layer from normal to hourly mood. Make duplicate layer. Then clean this layer gradient and add white color. Select first layer and add color. Please, 1 like, 1 comment for next video tutorial. Thanks for watching.